अरे लाइट ऑन हो गई रे, लाइट को ऑफ कैसे करूं देख ले। सो गाइस, आ गए हम भाई की चर्चा में। दोनों भाई तबाही, दोनों भाई दोनों तबाही,
दोनों भाई नहीं, भाई भाई तबाही,
भाई भाई तबाही। चेक करूं कि नहीं करूं? चल रहने दे, अब चालू हो गया है।
पैर कैसे रखो?
जैसे रखो वैसे रखो अपना। कोई अपने को क्या है, अपने को तो बस पॉडकास्ट बनाना है। चल क्वेश्चंस रेडी रख।
इसमें रिकॉर्ड कर माइक।
इसमें क्वेश्चंस देखूंगा, फोन से तो रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है। हाँ ठीक है। Okay, so the agenda for the agenda on this video is once there was a once अबे इंग्लिश में कैसे बात करते रहे। There was a day where a thought came in my mind that I guide my brother in every terms of way, in whichever he, in whichever hurdle or struggle he is facing in this current moment. And I used to care. I try to help him because um, what he is going through, I have gone through that. I have gone through that same. I have gone through that same issues. क्या ये बोलूँ ना? साला इंग्लिश. Okay, I have gone through that. I have gone through that same situations. So I am. So I am. So I am in the position where I can help him. Yes. Okay. So I thought, why we should not make a podcast or a conversation with my brother, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we will throw some questions at each other, and while planning this podcast, I have discussed with him that we are not going to tell the questions that we are going to ask.
Yes.
So the questions you are going to hear right now, I don't know if you can hear or not. There is no mic or good accessories at the current moment we have.
Text.
No text, no editing effort.
No text.
This will be raw, uncut. This
Okay.
will posted like that. Okay, so I don't know what questions he is going to bring me up. It can be about anything. I told him that anything. You can ask me about anything, and same goes for me to him. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so
You asked first.
okay, हॉटस्पॉट दे तो मेरी आंखों में फ्लैश। रेडमी कौन सा हॉटस्पॉट?
Vivo Y21.
Okay, so I'll ask you a question.
Yes.
Uh, what's the problem you are facing right now
In
terms of anything?
So I am facing problems in my school.
Okay, what?
Like students bully me in my body structure, and like them they bully me, and I am facing problem like not focusing in class. I can't focus in class. I can focus in class, and I can't able to properly discuss a question.
Okay, so you are having a problem with kind of external disturbance from your classmates and not able to focus on a specific task that you are doing.
Yes,
And what's the third thing you called?
I can't focus on a particular thing.
What do you think might be a reason because of all of that?
It might be a reason that I use a mobile phone more, and I can't. I didn't think about that anything about that in my life.
Anything about that? Anything about what?
Anything about like focusing or anything like that.
Okay, so you know what your problem is, right?
Yes, no
And
problem.
I think you might also know the solution to this. I have told you so many times about the solution.
Yeah, you. I don't know the solution.
You don't know the solution.
No.
You know, you exactly know what you want to do. Everyone knows what they want to do. The matter of fact is they just don't act on it. They don't take action. Everyone. I don't know who is watching this, but I think I know that you also know what you want to do. You also know that what steps you have to take to solve your specific problem you're facing, right? Yeah, I kind of deal with same situation. I kind of have problems with same in the situation you are right now. I had and I have also. Just like for example, bullying. I had that problem. I think I told you.
Yes.
Are you implementing it? What I have give you a solution?
No.
The- There might be. I think you are implementing some of aspects that I have told you. That is working, right?
Yes, they are little bit working. Little working.
Yes. So it will eventually evolve
Yes.
slowly. And apart from the focus part, I have told you right to do less consumption of this smartphone or consume precisely, awarely that what you are consuming. But I think that every kid just from his age or any age is facing this problem. I can guess that due to the overconsumption and overstimulation of the brain, uh, and oversupplying of information every day, frying your brain up. I'm and it's really hard to delete these kind of sources from your life, like YouTube Shorts, Instagrams, Reels. These are kind of a dopamine drug, you can say that. So it's kind of hard, but I am successfully able to delete my you know IG. I'm not on IG, Reels or Shorts. I will only use that for some social media stuff or content creation stuff. I will not use IG for consumption. And for consumption, I only use YouTube. And I also spent a lot of time there also. But I try to spend it on long form videos only, no shorts. Even though I'm wasting time on YouTube as a long form content, but it's better than watching those 60 minutes reels frying up your brain, right? Okay, so the question you can ask me now. I don't know if it's going to be
So-
uploaded on YouTube or not, but I will upload.
What's been the most surprising thing about college life?
My most surprising thing about college life. Okay, so there are many instances,
Like
but I
which
think
is the top?
the main surprising thing would be the, when you connect the dots backward, it will be just the serendipity that I have met that kind of people. I have met that kind of people that have given me a different perspective of, you know this world, and about people, and I learned a lot about human beings while being in classroom, while being outside. And in college I have spent my time mostly alone. I wandered around college campus alone, watching like a loner. But yeah, it kind of gave me an introspective thought about myself, and it's a good amount of time to, do a good self introspection. So I do that kind of a lot. And and I think due to that skill, I can sense people. I can understand people what they are going through, or I can understand uh, from their perspective that what they are trying to think. I think that, but I don't know. Okay.
Or when you go first time in college, what is your thinking like?
My first time in college, I didn't had any expectation. I didn't have any expectation now too. I kind of have no expectations around anything, because everything is uncertain in this life. I believe that anything can happen, anything is achievable. You can go downhill from the top, you can go up from bottom to, top. I don't know, but the only things that matter is learning in the current phase. That's what I try to tell you, to focus on learning rather than dreaming.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the one thing about school you wish could be different?
Like about my school
About
or
anything.
about
School.
my school or about my school life?
Your school life, or your school life.
Alright.
Okay. What's the thing you can wish you can change to make things better?
Like I want to get the there is friend circles in many, and I am not in a good friend circle. That's
Do you
it.
think that way?
Yes.
Do you believe that you are in a bad friend circle?
Yes. So like
Then why are you not trying to change your friend circle then?
my friend circle is good, but my like if I am in front of any other person like who I don't like him, then my friend circle also didn't support me in the front of the other person. If I did anything wrong, then my friend circle start laughing.
They don't support you like that. They
Yeah.
make fun of.
And I would like to change mm, like my nature.
Like,
When laugh, I am like a very kid.
no, you are not kid. You are a really intellectual being. As I can say that you know more than me about stuff that when I was your age. I think I could believe that. So stop thinking about yourself like that. And apart from that, if you genuinely think that your friends, you must have did some funny thing, right?
Yes.
So that's why they are laughing. I
No.
think. Or you did wrong. You did something wrong unintentionally.
Yes, sir. I mean, like wrong, not wrong, but like if a person spill or water on me with a bottle,
Hmm.
then I take my bottle.
Hmm.
There is no water in my bottle, and my friend circles know, but I am taking my water bottle to scare the other person. But my friend circle starts laughing. Oh, there is no water in. What are you doing? Like that. Your
Okay.
example.
Does that affect you?
No, not much, but I like to change it.
Okay.
Like I am good in my school life. I
Nice,
feel
nice.
happy.
That's
I
a really
then
good thing. That's a
I
really good
didn't want to change much things in my school life.
thing.
There are little things, not.
Got it, got
Yes,
it.
yes,
I
yes.
know that. It was nice hearing about your thoughts.
Yeah.
ऑडियो जा भी रही है कि नहीं पता नहीं. वीडियो रिकॉर्ड हो भी रहा है कि नहीं? हो रहा है, हो रहा है. चलो जल्दी पूछ, पनवेल निकलना है.
How do you handle stress and maintain your mental health?
ये कैसे पूछ सकता है तू? चलो ठीक. हाउ डू आई हैंडल स्ट्रेस एंड मैं
पापा
हाँ तो आन देना.
नहीं,
पापा ही तो है.
नहीं आप
अरे देख इसलिए बोल रहा था मैं. अब करना पड़ेगा अब तो.
कर लेंगे।
कल नहीं,
नहीं।
अब करना पड़ेगा. अरे तो सपोर्ट करेंगे यार, ऐसे थोड़ी
नहीं,
ना.
नहीं करेंगे।
नहीं. इट्स ओके. सो
No, I don't want to podcast right now.
अबे कुछ नहीं होगा. आज करना ही पड़ेगा. तू नहीं बोला था आज ही होगा, फिर कल नहीं होगा. तू नहीं
कल
बोला
हो
था.
जाएगा मेरा।
नहीं नहीं
नहीं, टाइम अप हो गया है आज का।
नहीं नहीं करना. 15 मिनट 15 मिनट 15 मिनट
नहीं,
फट 10 मिनट फटाक से मेरे को आंसर बोल दे.
बोल इसका आंसर क्या?
नहीं मेरे को पूछूंगा. ओके. हाउ डू आई हैंडल स्ट्रेस एंड मेंटेन माय
आज नहीं
मेंटल
करना है।
हेल्थ? अबे नहीं पूछेंगे. हाउ डू आई हैंडल स्ट्रेस? सो I think I am a really bipolar human being. There are some days in night that there's a straight up peak of motivation in me that I can do anything, and there are some instances that feel like fuck, I'm not doing anything.
अच्छा, okay.
Fine. Okay, so how do I maintain it? I try to go for a chai and try to walk around. Or yeah, just for some escapism, I watch YouTube. Just as I said, I watch YouTube a lot.
Like if you get uh,
Mostly
sick,
to handle stress, I just escape from it while
like you go
having
in
too much sleep.
anything, something
Huh?
peaceful.
Yeah,
You go in any place like peaceful place like lake,
there are no such
garden,
things.
or anything.
No, I'm a really lazy person.
Oh my, that's done.
Okay, I will ask you.
हाँ,
अबे कुछ नहीं बोल रहा.
आगे थोड़े।
Okay, so you have to be really open with it. Okay. Do you think school teaches you about real life stuff? Real life knowledge that I give you in some
They
moments
teach us about
Ah.
about
real life.
not knowledge about
Knowledge
they
about
give us knowledge not about real life.
enough about real life.
Enough, like not much, not too many. Like it is
What do you
down,
think?
down in the middle, middle.
Okay,
Down.
in the middle. What do you think? What should our education system do? Cochin, what do you think?
Our education
What do you
system.
think? What your school should change in the terms of education, like teachers, study, subjects? What should they add or remove, or
They add
what should they do to try to improve? Why? What should they do that there is no need to go for tuition in for you? There is no need for doing extra classes. Tuition. What should they do? What do you think?